Welcome to the life of a data analyst in 2025. Subscribe to our channel iSync Consulting. We specialize in data analytics, DBA, DevOps, and other data related trainings and certifications and consulting services. In this video, we will explore the exciting and transformative journey of data analysts in a world increasingly driven by technology and data. Every day for a data analyst begins with a cup of coffee, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. As they settle into their home office, they quickly review emails and messages from colleagues across the globe. Remote work has become the norm, allowing analysts to collaborate seamlessly with teams from different time zones and cultures. A typical day involves diving into various tasks that are crucial for effective data analysis. Analysts start by identifying key business problems that need addressing. They gather data from multiple sources, including databases, APIs, and cloud storage. Once they have the data, the next step is cleaning it, removing duplicates, handling missing values, and ensuring accuracy. With the integration of AI and machine learning tools, these processes have become significantly more efficient, enabling analysts to focus on deriving insights rather than getting bogged down in tedious data preparation. In 2025, the role of a data analyst has evolved beyond traditional reporting. Analysts are now strategic partners in decision-making processes. They leverage advanced analytics techniques to predict future trends and prescribe actionable strategies based on their findings. This shift means that analysts must not only be proficient in statistical methods but also possess strong business acumen to align their insights with organizational goals. Real-time analytics has become a standard practice in many industries. Data analysts can now monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, and respond to market changes instantly. This capability enhances business agility and allows organizations to stay competitive in rapidly changing environments. Analysts utilize dashboards that provide live updates, enabling them to make informed decisions on the fly. Collaboration is key in the life of a data analyst. They work closely with stakeholders from various departments, such as marketing, finance, and operations, to present their findings effectively. Using interactive dashboards and storytelling techniques, analysts make complex data relatable and actionable for non-technical audiences. This ability to communicate insights clearly is essential for driving data-driven decision-making across the organization. To remain relevant in this fast-paced field, continuous learning is crucial for data analysts. With new technologies emerging constantly, analysts must adapt by upgrading their skills regularly. This includes learning about AI advancements, machine learning algorithms, and data governance practices. Online courses, webinars, and industry conferences are popular avenues for professional development. Looking ahead, augmented analytics is set to revolutionize how organizations approach data insights. By democratizing access to analytics tools, augmented analytics will empower everyone within an organization, regardless of technical expertise, to make informed decisions based on data. Imagine using augmented reality (AR) to visualize complex datasets in real time during meetings or presentations. The life of a data analyst in 2025 is dynamic and impactful. Subscribe to our channel iSync Consulting. Connect with us to know current data analytics training. With the right skills and tools at their disposal, analysts play a crucial role in driving innovation and strategic growth across industries. They are not just number crunchers, they are storytellers who transform data into meaningful narratives that guide organizations towards success. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of data analytics and want to learn more about this exciting field, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of data.